Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Many devices prevent direct editing of lock screen date and time settings. This restriction keeps system time consistent across apps and services. You must change the underlying system clock to update the lock screen. Open Settings or Control Panel to access date and time controls. Only system-level adjustments propagate to the lock screen and notifications. Temporary apps cannot override the global time without system permissions. Follow the system procedure to ensure secure and reliable time updates across your device. Start by opening Settings and selecting Date and Time options. Turn off Set Time automatically so manual controls become available. Tap Change or set to enter the correct hour and minute values. Adjust the time zone to match your geographic location precisely. Confirm AM or PM if your device uses 12-hour time formats. Save or apply the changes to commit the new system time. The lock screen reads the system clock and updates the displayed date and time immediately. If the lock screen does not reflect the new time, restart your device once. A restart forces system services to reload and read the updated clock. Verify that automatic time sync remains disabled when you want a manual setting. If you need network time conflict resolution, re-enable automatic sync with your preferred time server. Check the lock screen immediately after reboot to confirm the change. Use Settings or Control Panel to revert or reconfigure time settings securely and reliably.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.